Hi everyone. Today we'll discuss how to repeat same thing multiple times in Python. Suppose we want to print numbers 1 to 10. One can write print 1, print 2, print 3 and so on up to print 10. Instead of repeating the same line, Python has for loop to repeat same code multiple times. Let's quickly recap what we discussed in previous lecture. How to make decisions in programs using if, else if and else. In this lecture, we'll be discussing loops which are useful for repeating work. Introduction to loops. Imagine you need to print hello 100 times. Would you write print hello 100 times? No. Many tasks in programming involve repetition. Printing a sequence of numbers like 1 to 10, performing same calculation multiple times, processing each symbol from a string. Loops execute a block of code repeatedly. Python has two main types of loops, for loops and while loops. Today we'll discuss for loop. The for loop iteration over sequences. Suppose we have 10 students and the teacher checks homework. Teacher will ask student number 1, bring your homework, student number 2, bring your homework and so on. Student number 10, bring your homework. This can be also be said as for each student in class, bring homework. For loop does the same thing. For loop syntax, for item in sequence, colon, code to execute for each item. For student in class of students, code to be executed for each student. Example, iterating over a string. For car involved, it takes first P, next Y, next T, next H, next O, and then Y. The range function. Range is an important function which is used to generate sequence of numbers. It can be used with 1 value, 2 value or 3 value. Range sequence 0 to stop -1. Example, range 5 generates 0, 1 up to 4. Range start stop generates numbers from start to stop -. Example, 2, 7 generates 2 to 6. Range start stop step generates a sequence from stop to stop -1 and every iteration it adds step. Example, range 0, 10, 2 generates 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Step can be negative also. Example, range 5, 0, -1 generates 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. In next part, we'll practice for loop examples in Colab. Thank you.